प्रधानाध्यापकज्यू, शिक्षक शिक्षिका तथा मेरा प्यारा साथीभाइहरू, म आदित्य B.K कक्षा क2 को छात्र। आज म तपाईँहरूको अगाडि भानुभक्तको बारेमा केही शब्द भन्न गइरहेको छु। आज म नेपाली साहित्यकार भानुभक्त आचार्यको बारेमा भन्न चाहन्छु। भानुभक्त आचार्यको जन्म सन् 1871 असारको 29 गते तनहुँ जिल्लाको रङ्गा गाउँमा भएको थियो। उनका पिताको नाम धनाचार्य आचार्य र माताको नाम धर्ममती देवी थियो। उनका हजुरबा कृष्ण आचार्य विद्वान थिए। उसले प्रारम्भिक तरिकाले आफ्ना बाजेबाट शिक्षा लिएका थिए। उनले संस्कृत, व्याकरण र साहित्यकार अध्ययन गरेका थिए। उसले स्थानीय घाँसीबाट ठुलो प्रेरणा लिएका थिए। घाँसीले घाँस काटेर कुवा खाने, इनाम कमाउने भन्ने कुरा सुनेर आफूले पनि आफ्नो समाजमा इनाम राख्ने काम गर्ने अठोट लिए। त्यही प्रेरणाबाट उनी साहित्यका सिर्जनामा लागेका थिए। उनले नेपालीमा अनुवाद गरेको रामायणले नेपालीहरूलाई भाषिक रूपमा एकताबद्ध गरायो। उसले आफ्नो पुस्तकमा नेपाली समाजको प्रतिबिम्ब पनि उतारेका थिए। त्यसैले उनलाई नेपाली भाषाको एकीकरणकर्ताका रूपमा चिनिन्छ। त्यसैले हामी असारको 29 गते भानु जयन्ती मनाउँछौँ। धन्यवाद र तपाईँको दिन शुभ जाओस्।
Thank you, Aditya. Now I would like to call Honors Tiwari from grade 7A1.
Good morning and namaskar to everyone present here. I am Honors Tiwari from grade 7A1 in front of you all to present on the topic development of devices. Devices are tools made by humans to make life easier and work faster. In ancient time, people used simple stone tools as stone axe and stone spear, but as time changed, people kept inventing advanced tools. Nowadays we have tools like smartphones, tablets, etc. Devices have many advantages. They make our life easier, they remove work overload, etc. In conclusion, development of devices has changed the world greatly and will continue to change the world if we use it wisely. Thank you.
Thank you, Honors. Now for our last presenter, I would like to call Samar Tamang from grade 8A2.
Namaskar and good morning to everyone. It's me Samar Tamang from grade 8A2 standing in front of you to deliver a short presentation on the topic importance of education. Education is very important things in human life. It helps us to learn new things, grow as individually and live better life. Education is not just only going to school and passing exam. It is about to gaining knowledge, understanding the world around us and learn new things. Education also helps to make a better and strong future. It helps us to it gives more opportunities to good jobs. In conclusion, I would like to tell that education is very important in human life because it helps to make better future and gives more opportunity to earn money. Thank you and have a nice day.